In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between Lite and Pro modes on Binance. Whether you're a beginner, just getting started with cryptocurrency trading, or an experienced trader looking for more advanced tools, Binance offers modes tailor-made for different levels of expertise. The Lite mode is crafted specifically for those new to the trading world. It offers a simplified interface, making it much easier to buy, sell, and convert currencies with simple displays and clear options. On the other hand, if you're more versed in crypto trading, the Pro mode provides a comprehensive suite of advanced charts, tools, a wider array of trading pairs, and many more features designed to give you the edge in your trading strategies. Now let's delve into how you can switch between these modes on your mobile device, whether you're using iOS or Android. Switching between Lite and Pro on the mobile app is supported seamlessly, so let's walk through the steps. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your smartphone. Once you've done that, make sure you're logged into your account to access your personalized settings. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the profile or account icon. You'll typically find this icon located in the top left or top right corner of your screen. Give it a tap, and you'll enter your account settings. Now here's where you can toggle between the modes. Look for the Lite toggle button. If Lite mode is currently enabled, you can switch it off to activate Pro mode, providing you access to those advanced trading features. Should you find yourself wanting to switch back to a more straightforward setup, you can easily toggle the Lite option back on, reverting to the Lite mode interface. It's important to note that if you're using Binance on your desktop or through the web version, things are a bit different. You'll find that there isn't a separate toggle for switching between Lite and Pro modes on the desktop or web interface. This is because Binance's website automatically loads with its full feature set, which means you'll always be using what's available in Pro mode. There isn't a Lite version for the web, so there's no need to switch between modes like you would on mobile. The desktop interface is fully equipped with all the features you'd expect in Pro mode, all consolidated in one setup. This difference in functionality between mobile and desktop platforms is clearly outlined in several guides, ensuring users can maximize their trading experience regardless of their device. Whether you're accessing Binance on the go through your mobile or fully harnessing the power of the desktop experience, you're equipped with all the tools required for your trading journey.